Let's keep our kids safe this Halloween while having fun and getting crafty. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different face masks. We're going to make a pumpkin, a skeleton, and a monster. And we're going to be using some of my favorite Tulip products for kids. We're going to use the dimensional fabric paint in glow in the dark, and we're also going to be using the brush on fabric paint. Both are great for kids. Alrighty, ready to get started? Let's get crafty. And just like that, we have 3 fun glow-in-the-dark face masks that your kids can wear for trick-or-treating or even just a play date. How fun are these? Check out how they glow in the dark. I love the bright colors, and talk about an extra layer of safety for trick-or-treating in the dark. To find out about the products that I use today and purchase them, visit Tulip's website and follow them on social for more Halloween projects from other creators like me. And of course, check out my website, craftboxgirls.com, for more Halloween projects with my favorite Tulip products. And follow me on social at craftboxgirls. Have a safe and happy Halloween, friends. Bye!